This is my sign off. The Valentine's Day Sweetheart Bohemian Crown. Don't I look absolutely smashing wearing it? This is some of the other crowns that I've done. This is a bridal crown using just white roses and all of the beautiful elements that I have talked about, and it's actually upside down because I love how those pointy leaves sort of make the peaks of a crown. This one is absolutely one of my favorites. You can see that the center flower is probably the fullest rose. And then it has all of these beautiful peach and salmon and orange. One of the top colors, supposedly for this 2019 bridal season. And this one, of course, is also the focus flower in the center is the largest. Beautiful irises and peonies and roses. You can find all of these on my Etsy store. Drew's Enchanted Crafts, probably I'd say by the end of the week, because I have to photograph them, email them to myself, load them onto my computer, and then edit them and then load them into my Etsy store. So for a hobby, it's an awful lot of work. But so for now, Studio Drew at home, learning to craft as therapy as I did. See you later. Thank you for sticking out this video with me. Bye.